the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities. Voyage system is a standardized system for marking navigable water, enhancing safety and efficiency for vessels at sea. Established in 1957, IELA aim to harmonize maritime voyage system worldwide. ILA, IALA region and lateral marks to maintain uniformity. IALA divides the world into two regions, Region A and B. Region A, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, part of Africa, and most of Asia. Uses red buoys to mark the port, left side channel, and green buoys for a standard right side when entering a port. This is reverse when exiting. Region B, North and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. Reverse the colors with green buoys on the port side and red buoys on the starboard side upon entry. Other ALA marking types. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of safe relative to a hazard. They use black and yellow stripes and distinctive top marks to indicate north, south, east, and west. Isolated legend marks hazard to shipping with navigation water all around. They are black and red with two black balls on top. Safe water marks indicate open, deep, and safe water ahead. They are red and white vertically striped with a red shaped top mark. Special marks indicate special areas or figures. They are yellow and the yellow X top marks. Emergency marking buoy, a temporary marker for newly discovered wrecks. It's yellow and blue strip with a yellow cross top mark. Importance of the IALA system. The IALA system significantly improves navigational safety by standardizing buoy markings worldwide. Before its implementation, inconsistencies is voyage system across its different regions led to confusion and still. The IALA system has helped to overcome these difficulties, aiding mariners of all nationalities in safety navigation the world waters.